Hi guys, it's Debbie. Before we get started with today's video, I would like to thank you guys so much for 8,000 subscribers. I will be doing a giveaway and I'll be giving you the information on how to enter and what the prizes will be at the end of this video, so stay tuned. In today's video, we'll be looking at another hair growth secret from my country, and of course it involves a plant. Today we'll be looking at the lemongrass plant. In my country, this plant is called fever grass and it is used mostly for a tea, which is good for headaches and reducing stress. The tea is also good for your hair. So in today's video, we'll be looking at two ways in which lemongrass is used to grow your hair, and of course one of the ways is lemongrass oil. Now, to make this oil, you will need fresh lemongrass, not dried lemongrass. So you will need some fresh lemongrass and carrier oils of your choice: coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil, any oil that you prefer. We will start this process by cutting your lemongrass into small manageable pieces and putting it in a bowl. You see me with this thing that looks like a stick. It is from the lemongrass plant. Now, after putting it in a bowl, you will transfer it to a small frying pan on low heat, and then you will add your oils, just enough oil to cover your lemongrass. Now, of course, you will be frying, let's say fry because it's fry, you'll be frying this on low heat because we do not want to burn out the amino acids. So fry it on low heat for about 4 minutes until the lemongrass itself starts to turn brown. After that, you will be straining this oil into a glass bowl or a cup. Today I'll be using a cup because I only made a very small amount of this oil. So you'll be straining it in your cup. A stocking foot is not needed because there is no fine residue that you will have to remove. So after straining this in a cup, you will let it sit and cool. This will take about 10 minutes. After this, you will be pouring it into your applicator bottle and then you'll be using it accordingly. I cannot show you exactly how I use it in my hair as yet because my hair is in protective styles. Now, after pouring it in your bottle, in order to use it on your hair, I recommend that your hair is freshly washed and you apply it to your scalp and hair ends and massage it into your hair. You can use it twice a day if you choose. So before we're going further, I want to know if you check out DD Natural. Her videos are so informative. Just like me, she likes to keep it natural, so I know you guys will love her content. Go over there and show her some love. Another way to make lemongrass oil is by fermenting it. I actually do prefer this method because it is more natural, and this way there isn't no direct heat added to our oils. Now, to do this, you will have to put your lemongrass in a jar and fill it with any oil of your choice. You can mix the oils if you choose. So today I will be using coconut oil. So just cover your lemongrass with the oil and seal your bottle. Usually I would let my oil sit for 30 days in the sun, but this oil I will be letting it sit for 15 days, and it does not necessarily have to be in the sun. So if where you are there is no sun, it is not a problem. Now, during this period, you will be stirring your oil or shaking up the bottle every day to allow the oil to mix in properly with the amino acids. Now, that is it for lemongrass oil. Now we will be moving on to lemongrass tea. Now to make this tea, of course, you'll be needing freshly washed lemongrass, and you'll be wrapping your lemongrass into a knot like you see me do here. Of course, now we'll be putting this in a kettle or a pot, and then we'll be filling this with water and allowing it to boil. Now after the water boils, you will let it sit for about 2 minutes before you pour it out. Now you can drink this tea twice a day. It mainly helps with blood circulation, which will in turn promote hair growth. It also helps to reduce stress, and it helps with headaches and fevers. There you have it, another hair growth secret from my country. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, and let me know if you like this video. And about that giveaway, let's talk about it. As you know by now, I have started my business dglow hair growth oils, where I am selling all natural hair growth oils, and I will be doing my first giveaway on this channel. To enter this giveaway, you have to order any 2 products from my product line, subscribe to my channel, comment on this or my latest video, follow my Instagram, and DM me with proof. It is that simple. The winner will receive 1 okra oil, 1 tuna oil, and 1 double-sided bonnet. Enter now, because the winner will be announced on March 27. So here are the products that I have available. I will be adding lemongrass oil to the list, and the price for that will be 700 Jamaican dollars. So take a look at these products and enter the giveaway now. This is proof that my products do work. They work for natural hair, relaxed hair, whatever hair type you have, you can order my products. And I do sell double-sided bonnets to keep in the moisture at night. Remember man, it's health over length. Here is a review from one of my customers. She was very happy with her okra oil.